Come on.
Darling,
No, I purchased this thing, to be honest with you. So, the main reason I purchased this, I guess, there's a couple of options besides it being an investment. I ultimately would like to remodel it nice enough to live in and efficient enough. I want to put solar energy on top. I could turn it into an Airbnb if I had a place like this to put in the backyard. I have no idea what my intentions are in remodeling this thing, but it's going to be fun. And Senna's here to help. All right.
In the video.
He's in the video. So here we go. It's gonna be fun.
darling,
This is what just grosses me out more than anything, I think. I'm keeping the sink, and I want to template this for these.
Okay.
So I'll keep that. Oh, I need a Phillips. Yeah. Let's take this whole thing out. Film all this at the same time, it'll be hard.
Brush it?
Yep. I bet you won't open that. Let's open it for the camera. It's celery salt. Dated 1961. Actually, it's dated March 18th, 2013. Ooh, okay. Yeah, it's just salt. No big deal.
Don't waste it. Taste it.
Don't waste it, taste it. Hey.
We've got life.
We've got life.
Here.
It's coming up. Look at this. Come on, Stimmet. That's what we're replacing. What is that, plastic? What is underneath that?
I think it's the same as this. The
Is it part of the plywood?
I like it. This is fun.
take a minute.
I'm gonna turn this into a friends come over and work for me.
We only have
business. This is amazing. I don't have to do anything. I think this is nailed in this actually.
Is it? Popped a bunch of shit ton of dirt up in his mouth.
I was like 60-year-old dust in my mouth.
Even that's loose, but it's
going down.
oh.
Boom! That's a sweet spot. Oh yeah.
Rusty nails. Rusty nails. Flip her on there.
It's not plugged in there, brother. The damn lights.
Maybe I plugged it.
It's not plugged in.
Nail. Turn on.
And there was light.
Oh yeah! Look at that light up there in that sky there. Damn, it's bright here. It is so bright.
This is day one, and that's how many people have been here to help, or kind of help.
He won't let me help.
If your helper skills are subpar, no, I don't believe it.
Maybe if I was from the earth. fun, right?
Yeah, kind of.
Oh.
You can do better. Come on.
Don't let him talk to you like
on.
that, Amber.
Let's go.
Shut your mouth.
It is shut.